Welcome friends on this wonderful World Laughter Day. I am Deepak Shah, laughter therapy expert just for hearts. Laughter is a unique gift to we humans by nature. Other creatures can enjoy, but they cannot laugh. We only can laugh. And due to our stressful lifestyle, we have forgotten to laugh. We are hardly laughing in a day. Laughter here we are using as a regime. As we do other exercises, this laughter is also an exercise. To get benefit from laughter, one need to laugh daily, minimum 10 to 15 minutes, and laughter should be hearty or belly laugh. Dr. Kataria has started this laughter movement in 1995. Laughter helps to increase and maintain our immune system. Research shows that laughter is helpful in curing BP, asthma, depression, anxiety, like psychosomatic diseases. It has a wonderful effect on our personality. You will feel energetic after laughter exercise. I say it is an exercise. To learn laughter initially, one need to laugh in a group. Laughter has a contagious effect. So, through eye contact and communication, one laughs easily in groups. In this corona time, as we are not meeting personally, we have started Zoom laughter programs. You will get Zoom link in description of this video. You can join me in Zoom laughters. Childlike playfulness is the heart of laughter. So we have to bring our child back. So initially we start with clapping and laughing. Clapping is a very good acupressure exercise and we associate it with laughter. You can also practice with me to experience the benefit of laughter. Okay, ready? Start. We can do it faster. Okay, we will do some acupressure points also. See, this 10-15 minutes, we have to laugh on our every exercise, every moment. We have to continue our laughter. We have to do anything, everything with laughter. Just massaging our fingers. And now we will do our cleansing exercise of laughter cleansing. We do vaccination, we do exercise for sanitization. Now we will do laughter sanitization. Clean your hands. We have cleaned our hands. Now we need to clean our brain also. We are bombarded by thoughts, or maximum thoughts are negative. So imagine two holes at your temple area, and as we do temple dental flows, we are doing mental flows here. Okay, so we are cleaning our all mental garbage. Okay, ready, start. Clean all your garbage. Feel that your fear has gone. Feel that your ego has gone, which is much required. All your anxiety and depression or any type of disease has gone when you clean your mental disorders. And now we'll collect this garbage, okay? Collect it in your hand and blow it away. After cleaning our body and cleaning our mind, we feel relaxed, cool and calm. So now act like a Buddha and laugh. Feel like all your anger, anxiety, all your problems has gone and you are like a Buddha. You have no problem. You are a liberated soul. Full day we are doing one or other, what you call acting. Here we are doing acting of Buddha. Why not? Imagine all your problem has gone. Now it's a morning time. So, do you want laughter lassi? Okay, we have laughter lassi for you. Just catch 2 glasses in your hands and rinse it well. We laugh on mistakes. This is my mistake. This is your mistake. And we have all doing mistakes. Generally, we do not accept our mistakes, but in laughter, we accept our mistakes and laugh. We generally argument. We are doing just argument to each other in our mind as well as in our speech. You have done this mistake. You are the culprit. Huh? You have damaged me. Anything. I will sue you in the court. This world is not good. We are always thinking like this. Huh? No. You have to laugh on your arguments. We cannot argue. We are not here to argue or change this world. We have to improve ourselves only. That is the thing only we can do. So we have to develop acceptance like Buddha. Now we will say no and laugh. No, nothing doing. No outside food. No junk food. No anger. We also laugh saying yes. Okay? Start. Say yes to positive things. Say yes to gratitude. Say yes to faith. Actually, we are all confused souls. We don't know who we are, from where this corona came, when it will go. So we all are confused. So we'll do confused laugh. We don't do anything. Just laugh. Heart, heart. We are just thinking, no, and mainly thinking negative thoughts. To hear it has an adverse effect on our heart. To keep our heart healthy, we have to laugh regular. If we will laugh regular, we will feel relaxed, and that relaxation will break down your hypertension, and you will feel relaxed and relax. So we have to regularly practice this exercise. When we regularly laugh, no, it develops love and compassion within ourselves, which is required. We have to fight Corona with Karuna. So let us laugh, feel love, feel blessed, feel compassion, and enjoy your life.